Unveiling the Treasure, Understanding, Revelation of Wealth. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where learning English is both easy and fun. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that often captivates the imagination: revelation of wealth. This phrase isn't just about money. It's about discovering or uncovering significant riches or resources. Let's embark on this journey together to fully grasp its meaning and use. At first glance, revelation of wealth might seem straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Revelation refers to the act of revealing or making something known that was previously hidden or unknown. Wealth, on the other hand, goes beyond just money or material riches. It encompasses a variety of resources, such as knowledge, cultural riches, or even spiritual abundance. This phrase can be used in various contexts, each bringing a different shade of meaning. In literature or storytelling, a revelation of wealth might describe a moment when a character discovers hidden treasure or comes to understand the value of non-material riches. In personal development, it can refer to moments of insight where individuals discover their inner strengths or untapped potential. In business or economic discussions, it could describe the discovery of valuable resources like oil, minerals, or even a sudden boom in a particular sector. Understanding the context is key to using this phrase effectively. It's about the aha moment when something valuable is uncovered or realized. To solidify our understanding, let's see it in action. The archaeologist's revelation of wealth in the ancient tomb astounded the world. Attending the seminar led to a personal revelation of wealth within him, realizing his potential for leadership. The documentary highlighted the revelation of wealth in traditional cultures, showcasing their rich heritage and wisdom. Notice how the phrase adapts to different scenarios, always centering around the theme of discovery and value. The phrase, revelation of wealth, is a beautiful reminder of the joy and surprise that comes with discovering something valuable, whether it's material treasure, personal strengths, or cultural richness. We hope this exploration enriches your understanding and inspires you to look for those revelations in your own life. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to our next English adventure together. Keep exploring, and keep learning.